Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio where an opportunity came to test, let me get a good angle, 63-piece GoPro 8, 9, 10 Hero accessory kit, which for me is phenomenal. I lean on my GoPros a lot. Actually, I will just show you my real world and tell you why I'm so excited about this. This is my mobile Go Shoot with GoPro package. And this is kind of what it looks like, right? So this is what I work with. That whole big giant mess of all the adapters, housings, all that kind of stuff that I'm always using are in here. And I am excited because how nice would it be to have a nice organized package like that with everything in there without the giant toolbox. So, okay, what do you say we open it up, see what's inside? This is like Christmas. Now, obviously, as I said, this was provided for us to do this review, but I was given no instructions. So if it sucks, I'm going to give it a 1. If it's amazing, I'm going to give it a 5 on the Doug score. So you know what I think of this when we get done with this. Let's take a look. We'll say it's nice, it's heavy, solid. There must be a lot in here. Woo, check that out. Okay, I already see one of my most favorite pieces back in there, but let's just kind of go through these things. So here's one that I don't know how I lose so many of them, but I seem to, and I'm excited to have these. These like raised curved adapters where you snap it in. Love those. I seem to lose those all the time. This is the flat version of that. This is a head strap. If you don't have a head strap, get one. They're amazing. See what else? Oh, this is one of the nice silicone housings. Let me take a look at this, see what this one looks like. Oh, these are great. These are great because mine take so much abuse. These really, really prolong the life of your camera. Here is the clip, the magic clip. Okay, look, here's a bag full of stuff. Obviously, there are 63 pieces here, so you can see the list of everything that's going to be included. But I can really talk to you about like the quality. Like this is so good. I'm going to take a look at a couple of the other things which come up, which quality-wise. This is a chesty, which is great. Floating handle, awesome. Car mount. Oh, let me take a look at this because this I really need. So if you're like me and you haven't used the silicone housing enough, I've cracked the back of my screen. And so now if I'm gonna go in the water, I need to put it in a waterproof housing, and I really needed this. So let me take a look at it. Obviously it is huge because these cameras are fairly huge to begin with, and then you make a big housing. And so this thing is so cool. This is nice and solid, exactly what I needed from Santa Claus. I'm glad this arrived. And click it shut just so we can see. Definitely firm. Whoo, that is not gonna leak. Okay. What else is of interest here that is a little different that I could show you? Oh, check this out. This is a nice one. So check this out. This is kind of like a tripod, but it's really just like a very flexible selfie stick for if you're doing selfies. Just put your GoPro up on there and you're good to go. That is awesome. You have a couple filters. These are so useful either if you're high up in the mountains or if you're swimming and you're snorkeling, you need that to color adjust. And lastly, the thing that I saw initially, oh, I am so excited about this one in particular. Let me take it out and show you. Look at this. So if you've watched this channel before, you will see many videos on cars, on RC cars, on motorcycles, all kinds of stuff I stick the GoPros on, and on the helmet. And I always have like 10,000 of these little adapters so I could get like the camera curved over. This one is just perfect. You just put it on and it arcs it over perfectly. This is almost worth the whole kit in itself all alone. Love it. Very excited about this. This can only be an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you are an avid or a starting GoProer and you needed a kit to start out with, you cannot go wrong with this. This is ridiculously cool. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.